Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, here in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show connection speed on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that showing connection speed will help you to understand about internet connection performance and troubleshoot potential issue. And also you can monitoring upload and download speed, also identifying network issue and optimizing network usage. And how to show speed connection on Poco M7 Pro is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to about notification and status bar. Alright, then now you can scroll down a little bit and you can turn on show connection speed, and the connection speed will display beside internet indicator. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.